Good morning, Derrick Sanderson, Keller Williams Realty, Chico, California, coming at you on this Monday, May 18th for our Monday morning market update where we take a look at what the housing market is doing here in Chico, California. As always, if you have questions about any other part of the market, any other area in Butte County, I would be more than happy to answer those questions for you and get you whatever data you need. But without further ado, let's jump in to some numbers, shall we? So, as far as currently on the market, we have 163 homes active on the market as of about 9:30 this morning. That number's up a little bit. So is the average list price, coming in at just over $474,000, up a few thousand from last Monday. But the average days on market for those 163 active homes is actually sitting at 66. So that has actually dropped a little bit from the week previous. So that's kind of what we've got going on in the market currently. That's our snapshot. But let's take a look at some fun stats. So as of the last 7 days, so if we look at the last week, we have 26 new listings. We have 23 pending or under contract and 16 have closed. So the new listings and under contract, that number is actually down a little bit from last week, but that close has ticked up just a little bit. So that's kind of what has gone on in the last 7 days there. Let me get rid of that for you so you can see that a little bit better. So again, last 7 days, that's what we are looking at. So how about we take a look at what's going on in the last 30 days, shall we? So in the last 30 days, we've had 66 homes sell. Now that's dropped again from last week when we took a look at the last 30 days. And the average days on market is holding true at about 30 days. So what does that tell us? Our average days on market right now for active listings is sitting at 66. But the homes that are selling in about 30 days. So what that tells me is if your home is priced correctly as a seller, it shouldn't sit on the market for more than 30 days, especially if it's highly sought after in a great location and a great price. So market value, real quick, market value is what a ready, willing, and buyer is willing to pay for your home. So if you're above market value, it's going to sit on the market longer than those homes that are selling that are listed at market value for like properties. So that's where we see that difference in days on market. Let's take a look at that average list versus sold price. It's ticked up just a little bit. We're sitting at $433,180 for the average list price. Now that's on those 66 homes. So that average list price for those 66 homes was just over $433,000. Now, what was that average close price for those same 66 homes? Very, very close. $432,122. So again, we're still seeing homes sell very close to list price. And again, if you put it on the market, it's gonna sell fast, especially if you price it right. What this tells us is homes are selling close to what they're going on the market for. So that's kind of what's going on. But I wanted to quick talk to you about something else. I don't know if you've been following interest rates at all or what's been going on in that market, with COVID-19 and all that craziness and things that are going on. We are continuing to see historically low interest rates. That is huge for buyers and sellers. What that means for sellers, well, we'll start with buyers. What that means for buyers is when you can get a home loan for as little as 3.12%, that is what the rate is as of 9:30 this morning. That is practically free money to buy a house. That is absolutely incredible. So as a buyer, low interest rates means that you can either afford a bigger, more expensive home, or you can have a much lower monthly payment on that other home of your choosing based off of your budget. What does that mean for sellers? What does this 3.12% mean for sellers? That means there's more buyers who can get qualified for a much better payment, which means more buyers driving to the market to look at your home. Guys, 3.12, that is absolutely an insanely low number. Okay, if you have questions about what that means or you're looking at starting the process, go ahead and you can give me a call at that number right there or shoot me a text. And I would love to be able to talk to you about that or get you connected with a couple lenders that I know and that I trust. And as always, speaking of knowing and trusting, if you or anybody you know is looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, I would love to be able to help you out. There are more homes hitting the market today, tomorrow, every day. More and more homes are hitting the market, and there's still a lot of buyers. We still have a pent-up demand for buyers here in Chico, California. So with that, I'm gonna leave you. Have an incredible week. And I will see you again next Monday for Monday Morning Market Update.